So tell me about it. When you say take charge of your own destiny, how did you do that? And what kind of challenges you overcame throughout that journey?
Well, when you have certain priorities in life, and these priorities become part of your everyday hustle, oftentimes we get lost in the process. We forget to look ourselves in the mirror, check on ourselves, and check on others. And in addition, we're not even measuring what's going on in our lives. And then when you have a moment of pause and reflection, and then you do that self-assessment, like you reboot your computer, in my case, rebooting my brain and analyzing what I had done so far in living in this country,